What happens if you breach bail in New South Wales? A question those who are making a bail application or have been granted bail would be well advised to consider. To illuminate this, consider the example of a real estate agent who was charged with attacking two women while intoxicated, granted bail on several conditions including that he refrained from consuming alcohol, and allegedly breached his bail after being caught on camera purchasing alcohol from a bottle shop and then consuming it. Bail is the temporary release of a defendant from custody pending his or her next court date, and once granted, will normally be continued from court date to court date until the case is finalized, unless the prosecution makes what's known as a detention application for the person's refusal of bail. Conditions for this release vary, but the fundamental expectation is that the accused will appear in court when required. Breaching a condition of bail is not a criminal offense in itself, but it can lead to a person being arrested and brought back before a court for their bail to be redetermined, which can result in bail being refused altogether and the person being remanded in custody, or additional conditions being placed on his or her bail, or the existing bail conditions being continued. In the case of our real estate agent, while the judge expressed concern about the behavior, the court nevertheless allowed him to be released on the same conditions to allow him to complete his alcohol treatment program. The judge did warn him, however, that any further breach would likely result in the revocation of bail. This is a stark reminder of the importance of adhering to the conditions set by the court. Again, the options for a court in cases where a person is arrested and brought before a court for failing to comply with a bail condition are: 1. Revoking bail altogether. 2. Varying bail, normally by ordering extra or more stringent conditions. And 3. Continuing bail on the existing conditions. The potential impact of having bail revoked underscores the importance of complying with all bail conditions. It is not something to be taken lightly or dismissed as a minor infraction. Breaching bail is a significant legal violation with potentially life-altering repercussions if you are in a situation where you are unable to comply with a bail condition, such as you are unable to report to police on a particular day, are unable to reside at a particular premises, or unable to comply with your curfew. It is vital to contact a lawyer immediately who can liaise with police to increase the prospects you are not formally charged over the breach. And if you do find yourself facing court over an alleged breach of bail, it is important to contact a specialist criminal defense law firm who will fight to protect your freedom and your future. Going to court? Call Sydney Criminal Lawyers on 9261 8881 to arrange a free first conference. Watch our latest video here.